Hello folks, I just want to update Bitcoin for you. We've not looked at that for a day or two. This is the daily chart that we're looking at. You can see this, we had this, we completed the pattern, the beautiful ABCD down, the bigger one on the weekly, and then we've rallied and we've broke through this little downtrend line, as you can see, and got up towards this 786, just backed off. What we're looking at now, what we could see now, this is the last correction we did. I'll just blow it up a little bit so you can have a look at it. A bit more detail. This is the last correction we did here. Right, from the high to the low. In fact, if I draw it in the right place, there we go. If we look, if we do the same correction again, that's going to take us right into this 382 retracement. Right into this area right down here. If we just drop it on there, that's going to take you right close. And this has been where this was sort of a resistance. We've broke through resistance, pull back into it. One of Larry's trading. Larry did a lot of work with a guy called JAN20, and this is they named this line after JAN20. We've got a 20-minute line. It's basically a trend line. Break through the trend line, pull back and support on it. This would be a really good place to take a look at any move into about 8,000 on this. I'll be looking to be wanting to be a buyer somewhere around about 8,000. Just give it a chance to see what price action does when it gets around this into this trend line, this 382. That's the area to keep an eye on, folks. And then, of course, if it starts to rise, then who knows where it can go. So keep a close eye on that. So that's a quick update on the Bitcoin. If I just quickly come down the time frames, come down to 60 minutes, you can see there's a little ABCD as well. Here's your look up again. You can see the your A, B, C, D pattern coming in. It's just about spot on. There's your AB leg coming in. Bear with me, take that off a second, right. Then if we just project that from your high, you can see we're just about spot on that ABCD, so keep an eye on that. That's your Camarilla go long support as well, your S3. So we'll see where we are. That's today's opening price. Get back above the opening price, that'll be a good place to look as well. So keep a close eye on that. Any move into 8,000, keep area. That's a good place to take a look at it, folks. So take care and good luck with your trading.